Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to watch age-restricted videos on YouTube Mobile in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Settings in the top right corner. Tap on General. In my case, Restricted Mode is disabled. If it is enabled in your case, then disable it. And if it is already disabled for you too, then go back. Now tap on your Google account. Tap on the Personal Info section. Tap on Birthday. Here, check the date of birth you have selected. Make sure it's not under 18 years. If it is, change it to 18 or 18 plus. And that's it. How to watch age-restricted videos on YouTube Mobile. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.